I want you to draw geometric shapes: circle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, even though I don't even know what a rhombus looks like. Is it like a truncated pyramid? Is that a rhombus? A squished square. But I want you to draw 6 simple shapes. It could be a triangle, it could be a long, thin right triangle. I encourage you to try and draw a circle, which isn't very easy, but I like to lightly draw it in and then come back a little bit later. And in fact, since I'm going to hatch this, I'm not even going to add a darker line around it. Let's see. We'll do. Somebody draw a rhombus for me. Let's learn something about geometry today.
It just has 2 parallels.
Well, this is a parallelogram, right?
It's like a parallelogram.
What is this thing?
All 4 sides are equal.
All 4 sides are, okay. So it is.
So just the shape is square.
It is that, essentially. Okay. Leave yourself a little bit of room. I'm going to leave myself this room right here, that room right there, for what we're going to do next. But now, let's give these different values. Let's give each of these shapes. Let's continue to hatch. And on this, I am going to try and keep everything at essentially a 45-degree angle. But let's hatch each of these objects. You could even give it a gradient if you want. Coming across this circle. A little bit darker in the top. And once you've hatched that in, let's add a little bit darker exterior line. If you started out light. And I'm not very good at this, but this is when I do slow down the pen quite a bit. And I even know I'm only doing maybe 30 degrees each time I lay down this pen. And then if you've got some open spaces, what I want you to do is I want you to sketch in a cube or a couple of cubes. I'm going to sketch in a couple of cubes. And I'm starting out fairly light, but I want to shore this thing up. And then on the right front face, I want you to hatch pretty tight, dark value across that face. And then change your angle and a lighter value across this other face. And we'll leave the top blank for now. And we'll get into perspective theory again tomorrow, or excuse me, Thursday. And darkening the outside of that cube.